is alive.
What's happening, everybody? So this was the first video that I uploaded to Instagram while editing from my computer, so I was like, I'm gonna just extend this a little bit and make a YouTube video out of it. And yes, I am eating a banana. Is that rude? Maybe. But I'm doing it anyways. I'm taking another bite. I like bananas. Who doesn't like bananas? And you know what else I like? I like picking up some heavy weight that I never thought I was going to be able to pick up. And then I did that. So let's just replay that grunt action because it was epic.
We're going to coin this gentleman today as Mr. No Surrender. Mr. No Surrender.
I like it, man.